Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be baby Avery's nursery tour. As you can see, it is space themed. I knew early on in my pregnancy what I wanted the theme to be. We pretty much got all of this stuff from Amazon. Most things were gifted from my baby shower, and all of the other things we got on our own. I will try to link everything down below, but yeah, let's get right into the video. When you first walk into his room, the first thing you see is the window area. I love putting the nursery together and everything that we curated, from the curtains to the shelving to the pictures on the wall. It was so much fun to just be able to create my dream nursery. I didn't want to go too overboard making everything space themed because I knew the books, decor, and knickknacks would make it a bit much. Starting off on the bookshelf, we have the My First Year picture frame, which shows from birth to 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and then their first year. Then we have a night light. When you turn it on, it cascades stars into the ceiling in a dim white light. Over in the middle, there is the welcome sign that we used when we were in the hospital to announce his arrival. In front of that are these little cloud lights that are the color of the light bulb that you see when you turn them on. To the right of that, we have a picture frame and a picture of him when he was first in the hospital. I'll show you guys the nighttime version with the lights off and the lamps on. Below that, we have his Bible story books, a couple of keepsake books, a photo album, the lullaby storybook, and a travel book for when we start taking him on vacation, all gifted to us by friends and family. He has tons of books. The rest are downstairs, but these are some of the ones I read growing up, and it was so nostalgic getting them for him. These curtains are one of my favorite additions to the room. Very simple, but still on theme. On the sides are picture frames that came in a 4-pack. The top one says be yourself, the bottom one says be curious, and on this side it says be kind and be brave with some space cartoons below them. In the corner is the rocking chair. It reclines. It's so big and comfy. It lets out at the bottom to lift your legs up, and it does have a side pouch for storage. On the opposite wall above the crib, we have his name decal we got made. Again, all from Amazon, and it will be linked down below. Below that is his crib. I love this crib, you guys. It grows with him as he gets older to, I believe, 5 years old. So it will turn into his big boy bed. It has a built-in changing mat, 3 drawers for storage, and on the side, it has 3 cubbies for storage as well. Another accent feature that I love is this musical mobile that rotates. It has a rocket, a moon, a planet, and the sun that dangles as it spins. We were gifted this blanket that's embroidered with his name. It says Avery with little clouds on it. We have a matching dresser that offers tons of storage with 6 large drawers. In the first drawer, we have his short sleeve onesies, a few rompers, and his long sleeve onesies with a few of his shoes on the side. Over here we have his short sleeve onesies that he's already worn, a few of his nightgowns, t-shirts, and his pants. In this drawer we have his nighttime onesies and gowns and a few bibs. Over here are his socks, hats, burp cloths, bath towels, and a few more nighttime onesies. Down here are some miscellaneous clothes that wouldn't fit in the cubbies in the other drawers, a few outfits, swaddles, and this is his bath drawer over here with his bathrobes, towels, and blankets, as well as room for extra storage for when we need it. First drawer of the crib are more hats, an outfit, nubbies, and his laundry bag. Down here are extra swaddles. The bottom drawer is a catch-all drawer of miscellaneous things like his calendar blanket, binkies, toy holders, nipple pads, and more. On top of the dresser, we have this toy car he was gifted, And we have a few pictures that we do plan on hanging, some in this room and some in what will be his bathroom, like this little boy going to the bathroom. We were gifted another My First Year frame that shows month 1 through month 12, pictures of your baby you put in. This frame was a gift as well. It says Love at First Heartbeat, and you put a picture of the ultrasound photo in there. And to the right, we have a rocket lamp. This is another one of my favorite accent pieces. And again, I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's turned on and at night. On the opposite wall, we have the closet. Up top, we have diaper bags, his clothes, some robes, and swaddle blankets for when he gets older. The bottom is a mess. We actually lost the shelves that are supposed to go over the clothes. All of this is supposed to be stacked up neatly, but again, we lost it. I'm sure we'll find it. We have diapers, wipes, replacements for the diaper pail, nipple pads, my best friend, plus more. Under the curtains, we have these cloth storage cubes that are for storage. It comes in handy when you want to hide certain things. Inside on the left, we have his big fluffy blankets, and then on the right, his thinner blankets. They gave us tons of those newborn blankets at the hospital. How many did you guys get when you went home? In the floor, we keep his Love Every Play mat that helps with his eye development, hand-eye coordination, sensory skills. And in the middle of the floor, we have his space rug. It's a big round rug, again from Amazon. I guess you could say all the space things are my favorite accent pieces in the room. By the door is this mirror we do intend to hang above the dresser. I will give you guys another overview of some of the details of the room, but I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch this nursery tour video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave below a comment on what you guys would like to see from me next. Bye guys.
Passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you, no. I know that you miss me, baby. I can make you wait.
Pull the covers down. Ooh.
This is not a nipple. For a second.
He on his elbows?
Mm-hmm. He's sucking his own hand. With his head up.
Hungry? Whoa.
That's that mix. That's that combo breast milk and milk or something like that. You want to feed, man? She's like feed.
Holy shit, I'm staring at
He is crawling.
I've just been using candidates. I've just been wham bam candidate, man. Okay. I mean, any woman who's been repeatedly lit up with an exclusive dominion over my body. Get out of my way. I have a letter to gloves. Not in your way. Hello, Scotty.
Tanner,
Putting in work.
here.
Oh, I just came to bring you a coffee in the
Putting in
morning.
work.
After meeting you, I'd say there's an 80% chance there's a roofie in there.
No roofie.
You
Just
done?
a skinny vanilla latte with extra whip and a shot of caramel.
Hey,
You looked up my favorite drink.
his eyes wide open.
It's all part of the package.
You're here to split me off from Harvey.
Oh, he did the same to you, and you wouldn't even know about it. Thereafter, ended your relationship.
It doesn't take a rocket scientist to connect the dots. 10.
Yeah,
Did you really think
man.
you could domesticate him? A house in Westchester, Harvey flipping burgers on the weekends? What kind of fantasy land are you living in?
Tanner, that's enough. She's not answering this line of questioning.
Then I'll answer it for her. You loved him, he spurned you, and you set this whole thing up to get him back.
That's insane.
Which part? That you loved him? That he spurned you? Nothing? Well, I guess they're both true. We're just not supposed to believe that
Oh.
you set this merger up out of anger because you knew what was coming down the pike.
I had no idea what was coming down.
Oh, so you're telling me that Edward Darby knew, but his number 2 didn't?
I was not the only one that Edward Darby relied on. He relied on Stephen Huntley for what happened in the EIR, and they both kept it from me.
Then why am I holding this affidavit with Stephen Huntley's name on it, stating you knew everything?
Because he's a lying son of a bitch. You're
This off, okay?
No,
Everything
you didn't,
needs, wait,
Malik.
hold on. Everything's got to be bagged. Get out of the car. All right, look at me, Michael.